Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by dx. Next, we have x, y, x. They are degrees number 1. So that is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by s. First derivative of s, we have number 1. So we have v, and that is about the product rule of derivative. So we need to change y into vs. This one we change by this one. Next, we simplify s for the both sides. So I will put this one go in here. Next, I will put v go here. And we have negative 2v. So this one I will put on the left. The s and s we put on the right. Because we have the negative, so I will put the negative in here. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 1 plus 2v. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.